Today we're going to be making Paragus from Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball Z. So let's jump right into it. Let's do a quick 360 here to show you what he looks like. This is the closest we'll get to his hair, because you obviously know that they don't have good hair in the meat creation options. But that's him, as close as I could get. I got a few requests from people to make Paragus. So let's jump right into it. So you pick that face right there. You pick the wrinkles because he's kind of old. Let's go to a hairstyle. Like I said, it's the closest we'll get to the spiky hair, sort of. And then we want to pick that gray. Let's go to the eyebrows. You pick those, and then position. You can pause the video, get the stats real quick. Okay, so gray again. We're gonna go to the eyes and pick those. Paragus has those like square eyes, but I couldn't get the right one, so this is the closest I can get. Go ahead and pause the video, get that right there. Black, and then let's jump over to the nose. I picked that nose. It looks the closest to it. I'll put a picture right now so you guys have an idea comparison. So yeah, you get that. Go to the mouth. I picked that one. Get that right there. Okay, and then jump to the facial hair. This facial hair right there, I picked that. You know, he's got the whole beard going on. You already know. Your boy Paragus. Copy that. Gray, mole. Nope. That's it. I mean, that's pretty much how you make Paragus. You know, he's got that old looking character vibe. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe. Hope you liked it.
Very good, son. This is Broly.